How's it, everyone? Just here in the Black Maria picking up my mate Steve. Alright, welcome to what should be a sunny trip, but hey, at the moment we got snow. We're heading towards the top of Jack's Pass above Hanmer Springs on the way to Lake Tennyson, and she's coming down for the Jack's Pass, and we have Gore-Tex protection from our snowy friend. Look at that, that's fairly solid at the moment, Steve. Any comments, Steve? There's some hardy characters, historical info, 1969. Hey, the boys have been out here harvesting rabbits. Alright. The rabbiters. So here we are, guys. Oh, rather, here we are up here, Lake Tennyson. We've come in from Christchurch. Great to have you along. 4 days, 3 nights. Join us. Let's go. Right, we're good.
This was the honey spot.
Yeah, looks like it, eh? It's beautiful. Right, let's take you into our campsite, guys. Look at Steve's lovely little spot here. Getting all his gear sorted out in there, in the minaret. Little wee stream just over here. And this is the Backwoods Bungalow version 2. So I'm running that. That's a lovely porch that comes down. I'm running that off this Dyneema ridgeline here. Nice long one, thankfully, so it can run all the way across to that tree there. A couple of prussics. I'm glad I brought another one because this one's got stuck up here on a bit of a joint on the Dyneema. So yeah, and you cannot complain with that view, guys. Seriously, that is just awesome. So welcome along. Season opens tomorrow, so we'll get the fly rod and stuff sorted out later on. just hanging out now in the tent, trying out the old sleep system. I've brought a few gadgets along, including, first time I'm going to use my nature hike pillow. That thing up here, this is really for kind of lying on the beach kind of thing. It's pretty handy, just sitting up if you want to sit up in your tent. But check out the view here, guys. There's the man's view. What a beautiful view. See those snowy mountains, there's Steve's tent. Primo. There's been a few sandflies around, so very thankful to have the bug net. There's Steve's little fire going. I'll just pop mine on here. There she goes. I'll need a bit of nice wood to get it going. Come on, guys.
You've got a rolling boil, haven't you?
You have?
Yeah.
Good one.
You might want to swap over, or have you already lit it?
No, you carry on, thanks. The wind is now coming from the good old west, almost westerly actually. Just dropped the warning there. Hey. Yeah, it's almost a rolling boil. For tea tonight, honey soy chicken. It's gluten free. Just needs 500 mils or 2 cups of water, and we're going to be good to go. Good one, Steve. Oh, that breeze is still cold. Right? Transparency. Steve's about to start bonfire. Oh, it's a rolling boil. Leave it for 10 minutes. Take you in here to the Trangia. Titanium little Trangia stove. Awesome. Great stuff. Steve, of course, he's got his little doofer going there. Morning. Right, there's the brew. It's just on 7, and my mate, who I thought was sleeping, is on the other side of the lake there fishing. He would have had to get up at like 5 o'clock, mate. Steve-o. Oh, the man is so into it. Look at it. Awesome. There's heading to the shingle. Oh, good on him. So guys, just when I thought my mate was still snoozing here very quietly, he ain't snoozing. He's out there catching them fish. Man, I like my tent. A bit of moisture build up inside this tent, to be expected. Need to sort my sleeping system out a bit better tonight. Right, it's about 7:45 and I'm just setting off now. Just secured camp and here we go. So it's probably about another 20 minutes to get to the top of the lake there. My mate, well, he's been out there for a while. I'm sure he's going to have some fishy stories to tell us already. Caught some nice fish around this little bend here before too. Oh, look at this, guys. Spectacular. It's ice, my friends. Fly lines and icing up. Oh, well. Well, look at this. Sun's probably another, I don't know, 20 minutes away, 15 minutes away from getting over the hill onto us. Oh, that is awesome. Seen another angler. It's to the right of Steve there. Across there. Trying the old worm imitation. See, there's a kayaker that's arriving on the scene over there. And that sun hopefully is not too far away. I'll try this worm out here, guys. Oh, it's still cold. Check the ice. You can see that. And ice in the eyes of the fly rod. She's cold. Okay guys, we got a nice little fish on. Gotta watch out, I got a very light tippet. I was just having my drink. Wait, he's not happy, he's hooked. And I just saw that dry go down, so he's taken the little nymph. Here's a nice little fish. He's had a jump already. Come on, fishy. You're in the smoker tonight if we can get you landed. Oi, oi, he's still not happy, eh? Oi, 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 oi. Okay, let's do a bit of line management here, Gary. And as I was drinking, I thought, yeah, watch, someone's gonna come along. And sure enough, he did. Sure enough. Oopsie, still got a bit of tow. Come on, fishy. No net yet today, so I have to bring him all the way out here. Nice little fish. It's the kind of fish we're after for the smoker. Hey, still got a bit of tow, eh? Oh, and he's off. Dang. Wonder if they'd bust the 5-pound tippet. Alright, well he didn't bust it off. But I think that hook is just open too far, eh? I think it's just open too far, that hook. Oh well, that was a lovely little fight. Keep trying. There's a lovely Asian laksa soup. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right here on the shores of Lake Tennyson. And what a cracker of a day. Check out an older video of mine. Hammer camping across these two trees here. That was cold. With my mate Pierre and his son Brendan. Yeah, two fellas over there. One of them's been checking out the channel. Shout out to you, bud. Steve's getting ready to try a humpy off here. Look at that backdrop. Far out. Steve's just around the edge there. Been puffing up the path here. One of the fellas just caught a trout there on his spinning rod. Well done. Nice. What's in there, Steve?
2-minute noodles again. It's sad but true.
Oh, no! Oh, well, there you have it. Yep, that takes the cake for sure. On day 2 of the fishing season, having breakfast here by myself. Poor Steve was feeling kind of wasted, still lying in his tent, and turned out he spent most of the day just kind of chilling. So I went around the top end of the lake for myself. We've arrived at the top of the lake. A few boats around, hauling or trawling. Steve's back at the tent, believe it or not. So let's see how we get on, guys. I've got a very small black net on. And literally got him on. Look at that. He's stuck in my glove. And then I've got a kind of a merger pattern over that. Little breeze has kicked up. So not a bad thing, that little breeze, to be honest. Just got a prospect now because I'm not seeing any risers. These fellas have brought a dog along too, I see. There's a dog running around there. Keep an eye on the fly, Gary. Keep an eye on the fly. So I've seen some risers. And it looks like they're really aggressive risers, so that's my little knowledge, my little bit of knowledge, that's kind of emerges. They trying to grab them before they fly off. At any rate, it's awesome to be out here. A few other fellas are out here. This dog looks pretty friendly. Hey Rover. There's a bit of a breeze pushing there. The wave action's pushing that fly back towards me. Make it a little bit more challenging. It's actually good though. This is I love this little breeze. Just gives it a bit of edge for the angler again, guys. It's so calm, it's pretty tricky to kind of not spook the fish. They see you easier now. They can't see you as easy. There's another boat coming along here. beautiful run of water here. Smile, you're on camera, boys. How's it going? Decided to do a bit of a walk up the main river that flows into Tennyson. Pretty good conditions, a bit breezy. As you can see, pretty low flow, low and steady actually. And just made my way up the valley. Probably spent about an hour slowly but surely working my way up the valley here. Just trying to sight a fish. I have caught a few fish up here in the past. Usually later on in the season, but this time, yeah, just overwhelmed by the beautiful views and just cruising along. Came across a few nice pools like this one. But unfortunately, yeah, just blind casting under the banks here and into the riffles. Not seeing any fish at all, which was disappointing. A few guys came up here the day before. One of them had been checking out the channel, so thumbs up to you, bud. Yeah, they said they saw a few pools. They didn't say they saw any fish or not, but certainly had a couple nice pools like this. Just blind cast them quietly with a dry fly and a nymph off the bottom there, and kept working my way up and just enjoying the lovely morning. Poor Steve was still holed out in his tent or just hanging around the campsite, not feeling too great, unfortunately. Didn't do much fishing at all on day 2 of the season. Poor Steve. Right, guys, so yeah, we'll just keep taking you up river here. There's a bit of a river crossing coming up ahead that I videoed myself from the opposite bank. Interesting, got to cross the river, set up the camera, cross it again, get the pack, and cross it back over again to get the footage. But hey, it's all in the movie making. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do, please feel free to thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Man, the views just get better and better. Opening up to the back valley there. Still haven't sighted a fish though. Not unusual, I don't often see fish up here. But just the walk up here is just unreal, man. Oh, it's a beautiful little run of water. Oh, wow. Few turns here. Paradise ducks. Nice little bit of backwater here on the left. Ah, some more beautiful water. Still haven't seen a fish up here, guys. But with views like these, nobody's complaining. That is stupendous. Hey everyone, check out the scenery, man. How blessed am I? Wow. Awesome being up here in the Molesworth station. It's just a beautiful part of God's own. No fish down there. I've had a good look. Unfortunately, not far from Lake Tennyson, but yeah, just no fish, unfortunately, guys. Bit of a walk to get up here. Always worth coming up here. Probably going to do a turnaround up here. Head back to the lake and see if we can catch something for the smoker, guys. Oh, I lost a fish yesterday, unfortunately. Oh boy, this is amazing scenery. Just unbelievable scenery. Some big rock faces there, guys. Wow. Wow. Right, guys. Time to turn around. It's a fair bit of walk back to the lake. Carry on fishing the lake. What a treat being up here though. Goodness me. Look at these mountains behind me, man. That's massive. Just spectacular. Oh guys, disappointing. No luck. Heading back to the campsite. I'm pretty hungry. Haven't had lunch, so I'll probably have an early lunch tea. And we haven't got fish. Well, I haven't. Maybe Steve caught near the campsite. Anyway, let's get you back to the campsite, guys. Time for grub. So what have we got? We've got some pita breads. These are sourdough ones, they're new. We've got some avo. There's cherry tomatoes. We've got all sorts of spices and mayo and these lovely salami bites. yeah, even a few onions and garlic, and I brought a bag of crispy salad along as well. Guys, all sorts of goodies and that garlic butter. So no shortage of food, eh? Awesome. Right guys, in here we've got some little mini chorizo sausages, about 3 or 4 of them, chopped up tomato, chopped up garlic, chopped up onion with a bit of spice, and I'm gonna add to that some potato and leek soup, and we've still got some pita breads, sourdough pita breads. First, let's fire up the Trangia. There we go, she's good to go. Got a bit of oil. And a bit of lime juice. That was for the fish, but show me fish and I'll be a happy man. We haven't had any fish today, guys. No luck at all. Sizzle time. There we go, guys. I think it's almost ready to come off. Added the soup, a bit of water. Gonna have that with pita breads over there. And a bit of, what have we got? Still got half an avo and a bit of lettuce. What a beauty, guys. What a beauty. Even though we didn't catch fish, we still got a good feed. I love finding moments of complete solitude like this, a time to quieten my thoughts and feelings and draw inward. It's not difficult to reflect on beautiful portions of scripture like Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He maketh me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. Friends, I hope it is well with your souls as you go about your day, go about your business. May it be well with your souls. Thanks for joining the Kiwiflyfisherman, everyone. Today is Sunday, we're heading back to Christchurch. We're going to fish on our way back, so I might still spot you a bit of footage there, but otherwise, hope you've enjoyed the trip. Look at this landscape. Pretty special, eh? I hope you're able to get out there. Thinking of my mates up there in North Island, in Auckland. Hang in there, bros. You'll be out in the backcountry soon. Catch you later. the little forest, guys. Now it's all along the lake shore. Whew. What a primo morning. Wow. I don't often see the lake this calm. There's one boat trawling up there. He's been around the last few days.